Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Midas Touch Greens. My name is Vandana Jain. I am a Astro Vastu Vedic Science researcher and consultant. We are starting up with our video series on scientific Vastu with a logical and scientific approach, as Vastu Shastra is not just about Panch Tattvas. First, let us begin by asking ourselves, do we understand the meaning of the word science? Science is nothing but systematic study of structure and behavior of physical and natural world through observation and experimentation. This observation and experimentation is done while making this video. Hope you understand that Vastu is equally as scientific as it is considered as Shastra. Metaphysics is also one of the words that we come across when we are talking about Vastu Shastra. Metaphysics is the branch of philosophy that examines the fundamental nature of reality, including the relationship between mind and matter, between substance and attribute, and between potentiality and actuality. An example of metaphysics is the study of God versus the Big Bang theory. What we understand by this particular thing is that Vastu Shastra is a wise combination of both science and metaphysics, as science itself cannot complete any theory of human existence. We are going to be looking at the bigger picture of a relationship of Vastu Shastra with universe, with earth, human being, with each other, and how human being alone is a cosmos in itself that is made up of chemicals, panchatattvas, energies, various needs and desires that requires a space beyond bricks and mortar. So let's take a look. Have a great journey of learning. Thank you. Okay, let's begin by understanding what is Vastu Shastra. Vastu Shastra is a science of architecture, is a traditional Indian system of architectures originated in India. Text from the Indian subcontinents describe principles of designs, layout, measurements, ground preparation, space arrangement, and spatial geometry. A lot is covered, in particular the planning of spaces. It can be temple, home, office, residence, school, theater, hospital, clinic, factory, unit, anything. So we have to measure it, we have to prepare the ground, we have to arrange the space, surroundings, and the geometrical proportions of it. Everything needs to be taken in consideration. It is a great combination of science, art, astronomy, astrology, which includes design of houses, temples, cities, gardens, roads, waterworks, and shop, etc. Vastu Shastra is a scientific study of directions which aims at creating the equilibrium by balancing the different elements of nature, using them for the benefits of human being. And there is a great importance of Vastu Shastra in our life, as it paves the way for happiness and prosperity to knock our doors. Everything in Vastu Shastra written by our great sages is out of their observations of solar system, and let us find more on that. Yes, is Vastu Shastra really important for living? From the very beginning, men has sensed the need for shelter. Not just men, even animals, birds, ants, insect needs shelter. Birds build nest, animal chose caves for refuge, ants live in ant hill. Every creature chooses or builds a shelter according to its need and as per the dictates of its instinctive and inbuilt natural mechanism, which does not change much for ages. Man, being a thinking animal, however, kept on making changes in his shelter in accordance with its changing needs. Thus, the Vastu Shastra is well defined field in science which comes under metaphysics, and it has helped the human being, the social animal, the thinking animal to redefine its spaces with logic. It is as true as the tales of Ramayana and Mahabharata, because It is also properly explained in many Hindu scriptures, mainly Vishkarma Prakash and Samrangana Sutradhar. Further, it is important that we know that three types of energies affect everything we do and everything that happens to us. Everything is made up of energy, and we have to acknowledge the existence of the divine power. The energy inside your body is managed by yoga. The energy inside your home is managed by Vastu Shastra. The energy inside the solar system is managed by astrology. Each of these energies is extensively researched and studied, but is not shared much because of the simple fact that not everyone can be made a king. As rightly quoted by Nikola Tesla, if you want to find out the secrets of universe, think in terms of energy, frequency and vibration. Let's know about the two principal theories of universe. First is Yatha Pinde Tatha Brahmande. Yatha Brahmande Tatha Pinde. That means, as is the individual, so is the universe. As is the universe, so is the individual. Or, as is the human body, so is the cosmic body. As is the cosmic body, so is the human body. Very rightly said that, because everything which is naturally developed or made out of the natural elements has a greater impact on each other miles apart. Everything around us, living or non living, is interacting with us on a very subtle level, subconsciously with our mind. We need to accept the reality that is there around us. Second principle of universe says that the essence of Vastu architecture can be summed up in one of the important phrases, Vastu Reva Vastu, meaning subtle space transform itself into manifested space. According to Vastu, the whole universe is filled with minute energy particles. Vastu science optimizes the quality of the space within which you dwell. So this is a very beautiful explanation of the universal phrases that talks about that yes, universe is not only that we are actually looking at, universe is actually down deeper inside us, and it cannot be always understood by our five senses. Let us know about our solar system. Our solar system is made up of similar elements. Very surprisingly, we got to know that the planets above us, millions and millions of light year away, they are made up of very similar composition with each other. And equally surprising is that human body's composition is also made up of the similar elements. So this is exactly the best example of understanding that nature plays vitally with subtle elements in a similar fashion all around the solar system, and this is a very beautiful discovery. Let's know about our planets. Earth and the three inner planets of our solar system, namely Mercury, Venus, and Mars, are made up of rock containing common minerals like feldspar and metals like magnesium and aluminum. So is Pluto. The other planets are not solid. Jupiter, for instance, is made up of mostly of trapped helium, hydrogen, and water. In our solar system, the four gas giants are Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus. The solar system consists of Sun, the 9 planets, and several other miscellaneous objects such as comets, asteroids, and dwarf planets. The most abundant element among these objects are hydrogen and helium, primarily because the Sun and the other 4 largest planets are predominantly made up of these two elements. Very interesting discovery. Stay tuned to know more about its connection with Earth and human. Let us understand Earth's elemental composition. First, understand the Earth atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is made up of nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide with very small percentages of other elements. Our atmosphere also contains water vapors. And now understand the composition of Earth. Earth crust is made up of several elements. Oxygen, by percentage, oxygen is 46.6% by weight, silicon is 27.7%, aluminum is 8.1%, iron is 5%, calcium is 3.6%, sodium is 2.8%, potassium is 2.6%, magnesium is 2.1%. Let us understand human elemental composition, which is a very unique creation of God. Almost 99% of the mass of human body is made up of 6 elements: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, phosphorus. Only 0.85% is composed of another 5 elements: potassium, sulfur, sodium, chlorine and magnesium. All 11 are necessary for existence of life. So far we have been talking about all the 3 things: planets, earths, human being, in a very chemical composition manner. But we understand that human is much bigger and beyond all these chemical composition. Human has something more to offer because it is blessed by the consciousness and enlightenment that actually arises out of the soul, that is consciously being given by the divine powers of universe. So we are going to be understanding that human is not only limited to these chemical names, it has much more energy, much more features, much more needs, desires, sensibilities, abilities and much more to offer. So hereby we are going to be looking at human with a very bigger picture. If you like our video today, please do leave comments, like, share and subscribe our channel Midas Touch Green. Follow us on Facebook page and please do let us know that what would you like to know more about Vastu as a scientific study. We'll be happy to add those topics in our upcoming videos. Please keep yourself happy, healthy and make your home more prosperous by watching our videos, and keep yourself healthy and positive. Take care.